My name is Jeremy Aiti Guzman from 4A. We have a two laptop here. So we have a system, client, and server. I use crossover connections to connect the two laptops. This is my server. So I'll just put the information needed in the system. Oh, sorry. So, to save this, just click save button. Then, the record save. On the client, I'll just need to refresh it so that you can see that the information is connected. There. So, in client, you can also delete the information that you record or save. Just click the information that you want to delete, then press delete. Then yes. Okay. On the server, you can see that the information is deleted after you press refresh. Okay. That's all.